Hi everyone, so this is an unboxing video for our Ecotrix new type of e-bikes, Swallow. And this video mainly tells you 4 parts that you should know before riding with it. And this bike, as now you can see, is 98% assembled, so there's not much you should worry for assembly. And only 2 things you need to install are the pedals and the seat post. And now you can see the Swallow is taken out from the box. So I'm telling you the first thing you need to do with the bike. And now you can see our member is unlocked that part. So please be aware of his hands motion. And now you can take it up, take the whole tube up, and lock this part. And you can hear the clear click sound, and then unlock this part, and you can see there are some marks on this tube, and please be sure that this tube is underneath this part. And then you can adjust the comfortable angle that you are comfortable with, and then just lock this part. And then you can adjust the height. But please be sure that there is a safety standard for the whole height of the handlebar. So please don't go over that with that line. And then the front part is assembled. The second part is with the seat post. And as you can also see that there are some marks on this tube too. And that just tells you that don't go over with that line to keep yours safe. And after locking that part, the seat post is assembled. Now the third part is we are going to tell you how to remove the battery. First, you have the key and spin like a hop around, and then you can just remove the battery, just like that. And lock it and remove the key. The battery is locked. And the fourth part is we're going to tell you how to fold the bike, as this is a foldable bike. And you can see there's a spring button. And you can just do like that. It's pretty easy, and you can see clearly about the spring button. You need to do as our members did. And after that, you can see the bike can be folded. And if you want to fold it back, you can just do like that and put it back. And you can hear the click sound. And that means just the bike is not folded. And if you feel the handlebar is too loosen or too tight, you can adjust that bolt over there, and you can tighten it. And also for that part, you can tighten or loosen the bolt if you feel that the part is too loosen or tight. And the seat post as well. If you just want to make sure that this is tightened, you can spin that bolt. And that's all. Thank you.